Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to complete a Docusign document. This is a straightforward process that allows you to sign important documents electronically without needing to print, scan, or mail anything back. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to open your email inbox. For this example, we'll use Gmail, but the process works similarly with any email provider. Simply open your web browser and navigate to your inbox where you typically receive your emails. Once you're in your inbox, you'll need to locate the email that contains your Docusign document. This email will usually have a subject line mentioning Docusign or the specific document you need to sign. It might say something like "Please Docusign," followed by the document name. Go ahead and click on that email to open it. Inside the email, you'll see a button that says Review Document. This button is your gateway to accessing the document that needs your signature. Click on it to proceed to the next step. After clicking the Review Document button, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is a security measure to ensure you're ready to proceed with reviewing and signing the document. Simply click Continue to move forward with the signing process. Now you'll be taken to the actual document interface where all the work happens. Here you'll see various fields that need to be filled out. These are the required fields, and Docusign makes it easy by highlighting them or guiding you through each one sequentially. Take your time to fill in all the necessary information accurately. This might include your name, date, initials, or signature in designated areas throughout the document. Docusign typically guides you through each field one by one so you won't miss anything important. Once you've completed filling in all the required fields and you're satisfied with everything you've entered, you'll want to finalize the process. Click Finish to submit your completed document. This action will send the signed document back to the sender, and you'll typically receive a confirmation email with a copy of the completed document for your records. And that's it. You've successfully completed your Docusign document electronically, saving time and making the entire signing process much more convenient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.